Knox, what's Daddy giving you?
Bite?
Oh, you tell Mimi all about it. Try it again. What you think, Max?
I'm getting it all over you. You better give me that.
Just give him some more. Why do you want to poke the bear?
Well, because he's going to get it in his eyes. He's going to...
Well, then he won't do it again, huh?
See, look at him. That's what...
Is that yucky? Knox, is that not good? Ugh.
Bite?
No?
Bite?
Knox.
No. Daddy.
Say hi, Mimi. No, Max. Say hi, Mimi. Say hi, Aunt Diney.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Aunt Diney. That is good. Knox, can you... It's not hot, it's sour.
Bye.
You take a bite.
Daddy.
Oh, yeah, that'd be a good bite. Daddy. What are you doing over here? You can take another bite, Knox? You want another bite?
Here you
Oh.
go. Let me get...
Say night-night. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.